Okay guys, welcome to this video. Today we're ranking Dogman books, and let's see. Okay, coming off with first, we're coming with the OG. I read it. I'm gonna put it in B tier, cause not as good, but it's pretty good. So the second book that I'm reading is Dogman Unsealed. I think I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put this one in A tier. Kind of good, kind of bad. So Cat Kid Comic Club S tier. I read that S tier. Same goes with the newest one. Solid Shredder Goated. I don't have the newest book, Big Jim Begins, because this website doesn't have it. So, second coming off is my first ever Dogman book, A tier. Kind of good, kind of bad. But let me move Unshredded to C tier. Kind of trash. The first ever one. I've not read this, so I'm just gonna put it in the C tier. And so I'm gonna put 3D B tier. Kind of good, kind of bad. So yeah. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So Bro and of the Wild, or whatever it's called, A tier, kind of good. So coloring, wait, no, I'm not reading that. Paw Joint, I've never seen that. Oh yeah, that's like a cool enough. Matches, I think it's pretty good, but I've never read that. B tier, like, I've read that at school. Oh, that's like goated. Or not as goated, so B tier. I checked this one out. This is pretty good. A tier. Musical. I've never heard it, but I know people have been saying they're good. So B tier. Cat Kid Comic Club. This one in C tier. Yeah, just like for that one. This one gotta be an S tier. Yeah, just like it was this one A tier. And this one is here, contrast. Lord of the Flesh, B tier kind of sucks. Oh, S tier, that one's just goated. And this one, yeah. So this is my ranking of Dogman books. But if I got Big Jim Begins on here, I would put it on S tier. Well, that's all for today. Well, I'll do more, but I just not posted, so I'm gonna post more today. So, bye.